Hello, we're going to recreate this gift today. This is beautiful wrapping paper by Paper Source with two different types of ribbon, a bucket, and then some greenery and berries. We've got a little container, some silver garland, eucalyptus, berries, and then some dried flowers. And first we're going to take our container. We're going to take a little hot glue and we're going to glue in this silver garland. Then we're going to take our berries, same thing, put a little hot glue on the ends, and then stick that into the container. Fan those berries out a little bit, and then we'll proceed to glue in the eucalyptus. Starting in the center with a tall branch, and then on the sides with the shorter branches. Okay. Okay, and then when that seems full enough, then we're going to take the dried flowers and then just again add a little bit of glue and stick them in the front and fan them out a little bit. Now we have our container done, and I have a pre-wrapped gift here, and we will just again add a little bit of hot glue to the back of this and then glue it on. And there we have it, a beautifully wrapped gift. And then here's the original. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you again.